A floresta de Roia Baciu, localizada perto de Cluj-Napoca, na Romênia, é conhecida por suas histórias de mistérios e fenômenos paranormais, ganhando a reputação de ser uma das florestas mais assombradas do mundo. Relatos de aparições, luzes estranhas e árvores com formatos incomuns contribuem para a atmosfera enigmática da floresta. O youtuber do canal Exploring with Fighters vai adentrar a esta floresta misteriosa, atrás de descobrir seus segredos mais sombrios e tentar evidenciar algo realmente sobrenatural.
Backpack. This was a first responder backpack, so medicals and all that kind of stuff. But we're taking it to a different level. I packed it full of survival equipment. Let's open it up and find out. I'll tell you what, I'm so glad we ain't going to be carrying this full rucksack because it weighs about 80 kilogram. Right now I'm taking the 511 backpack, lightweight, it's going to come in handy. So we have the trap camera, which we're going to stick to a tree and see what we can capture. We're taking the fold out spade, can be used as a weapon as well to defend against wolves or whatever else. I'm taking the Gerber multi-tool as well. It's got a knife and stuff on it, you never know. We're taking the binoculars, which Cody holding, night vision binoculars, and I've got the thermal camera as well, don't forget. So I think we're good to go.
Definitely.
So we have a big danger in this forest. Not only do we have the superstition, the paranormal, all the mythical stories about this forest, we don't have just all that danger to deal with. We have real life danger. We have brown bears now. Romania has the biggest colony of brown bears. We also have Transylvanian wolves. You can hear the wolves in the forest. No, I think that's a horn. Don't know. But we have viper snakes as well. We have a lot of dangers in this forest.
Spiders in the trees.
Yep.
Great. Okay.
Oh yeah, there's one there.
Yeah, there's two.
More spiders.
No,
yeah,
just
you
the
see
webs.
all the webs dangling,
What the heck?
dangling from the trees.
There's another one over there.
Great.
Oh, damn it. I hate spiders.
Yeah, me too. I've not seen a spider all trip either.
Oh, well, that was a weird noise.
Yeah, it was.
That was like a dog.
It was like a dog, but
Oh, think about freaking. I don't know, it sounds like something.
what is that?
The hell?
No, it's not. I don't know what that is.
What is that? Maybe a big ass mutated crow. Something in a tree. Yeah, I think that's right. Call back.
Wow, it's high pitch.
It is. Get him again.
Yo, it's responding. It's intelligent.
Dude.
Os amigos em um certo ponto ouvem um barulho estranho, provavelmente um corvo ou um pássaro da região, que assim que estimulado respondeu o grupo.
That's it. Oh my god. You just took down a That's
That was huge. What the hell was that?
They just took down a tree.
It was white.
I think it might be an owl. It was an owl. Did you see it take down that tree?
Yeah.
That's
Where?
amazing.
Oh, it's up there in the tree.
The size of it. Where's? Oh my god!
A giant owl.
It's like Ron Weasley's owl.
Oh, you can't see that.
Look at that.
It's Harry Potter's owl.
Yeah, it's a Ron Weasley's owl. No.
Os amigos sentem que estão sendo vigiados a todo momento. Eles param para olhar em volta, pois além dos relatos sobrenaturais, a floresta também possui histórias de assassinatos e rituais macabros, utilizando animais e pessoas como oferenda.
Follow the mouse.
So now he's getting pretty steep up here. So much, making me more tired. But I'm so thankful that I got these 511 boots on.
Yeah, there's the first one. It's made out of
It's getting foggy now, guys.
Cold man. Sure. And all the sails turned like this, you know, from all the cold from the years back.
Jeez.
I'll lead this charge. Make sure there's nothing
in front of us. I like your light.
There's a massive cobweb going all the way along us. What?
This is super sick, you know. This is cool though.
I just worry in case we don't find our way out.
Yeah.
Conforme o grupo vai adentrando mais a floresta, as árvores densas, a escuridão opressora e o silêncio angustiante transformam a exploração mais terrível ainda. O grupo vai seguindo mais a fundo na floresta sem imaginar que encontro perturbador iriam ter.
Can't see.
I can't see it either. It's like dead ahead. Oh yeah, there.
Where?
Dead ahead.
Hey, look at us now. Right through the trees. See it off my light.
Yeah, I see
so
it.
between them two trees. See it there?
I don't see nothing.
There, Dan.
Oh yeah, I saw it.
Yeah.
You sure that's a deer?
Yeah. It's got
Yeah.
a white. It's got a white tail. Got white on its tail. There's a little bird.
Yeah, you can see it just crossed the road.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Came round here.
Oh, it's getting thick.
Oh, there it is.
See it?
There it is.
Let it cross.
So far, no wolves.
Yeah, there won't
Nothing
be.
crazy, but there is deer.
Cross. Lost his mother.
Hold on, let it cross, stay still.
I thought it's gone. It stopped.
There it is.
There you go.
Little Bambi. Be free, run.
Be free.
Well, that's a good omen that there's nothing.
Yeah, deer have better senses than us.
Yeah,
So if there's nothing around here for them,
it's a really good omen.
we should
Hopefully,
be good.
hopefully that means there's nothing about.
Yeah.
We hope. We're at the circle now. This is it.
If only it was daylight to see it, but no, we can still see it. Oh my god, it's just super dark. How bright can we get it? So people understand, like, we are literally in a circle in the forest. There's so many lights on. Yo, this is crazy. Oh my god. We were in the middle of the woods and ended up in a huge circle. What is this?
I don't know. It's a ritual stick.
You never know.
No, it is.
Yo. Dude, what the hell? Did I see your light? Just to show you that we're in a legit circle. Yeah, we came out of that right there.
The line got these three bits.
But it's not. Someone burnt sticks here. It's a ritual stick.
Yeah, it is. I think that was shaped like a snake.
Look at that. Look. It's
Does
like,
it?
look. It's someone cut it,
Yeah.
so it actually was used for something. Probably just to stoke a fire. Yeah. Or a wizard with a ritual. Yeah. Fireballs at the tip.
Yeah, it's actually burnt because of the magic going through it.
People chilling out here.
O grupo chega ao meio da floresta que é identificada por um grande círculo sem árvores, um descampado gigante, e no meio dele o grupo encontra alguns bastões queimados e fincados, como se tivesse ocorrido um ritual ali. Porém, enquanto brincam com a situação, o grupo começa a ouvir barulhos floresta adentro. Eles ligam a câmera de visão noturna e isso que eles captam.
We are trying to find out what is in this forest. We keep hearing noises. Bucky and Josh and Cody, I didn't hear it because I was too busy messing around with this. They heard a little girl. But so far, I've not detected any heat signatures.
You somehow see it on the camera, it's a green blob.
Well, I'm going to keep switching to thermal.
There's people. Turn your light off.
Turn your light off.
Turn your light off.
Shit, press that button on top of my cap. Press the button on top of my cap. It's right on top. Get the thermal out. What's that? Oh, there's people.
What the hell? Wait,
Looks like
there
there's
is
two.
people.
They're actually walking through the woods.
What the? Yo.
Oh, they're coming here.
They're coming closer.
No,
I hear
serious.
them. I hear them talking.
Oh, there could be a cult. Let's get out of here now. No, seriously.
Come on, there's like 2 or
I
3
see
of
them
them.
with my light. My light can't even show them.
It's pitch black.
Where are they? I'm blind. I'm blind. Dude, I can't see them on here. Do you still see them?
Yeah, there.
Keeps looking like there's 2 or 3 of them.
I can hear them now.
Stopped. Wait, no, they're moving again.
Wait. Hang on. Oh my god, there is a light. They're coming. They're coming closer. There's a blue light going through.
Blue light. I see it.
Yeah, you see it? See it on my screen? Why is someone out here at night?
Wait, no.
Oh, dude.
I thought people don't come down here at night.
No, you gotta get out of here, seriously.
Yeah, you're right.
Come on, let's just go.
So that thing's real.
No, come on.
Eles decidem sair dali rapidamente, sem saber quem são aquelas pessoas ou qual intenção elas têm de estar ali. O grupo corre na direção contrária para que não deem de encontro com o outro grupo desconhecido.
I didn't even see properly. Keep going. Fuck. In the right way, but
Right, so,
we're getting out into the main road.
so right now we're picking the woods, trying to get out. Which way is it, Bucky?
If you go straight through, it takes onto the road.
Right, get to the main road.
Onto the road the car would take.
Yeah, I'm quite happy getting to the main road. Just need to get out of here. I just hope to hell we don't come into contact with those people. I mean, for all we know, there could be people like locals just, but that's the thing, locals don't come here, no one comes here, apart from like cultists. You saw the symbols, you saw the signs. I mean, the time's nearly midnight. Who comes into the forest at midnight? This now feels like Blair Witch. Seriously, Bucky, please get us out of here. Does the sat nav even working here?
Yeah. I've got signal. Just in that circle, I don't have signal.
I'm walking for another 40 minutes in this forest. I don't think them people will catch up with us now. Hopefully they'll stay in that circle. But you saw them on the thermal. There was about 5 or 6 of them. Apparently we're near the road now.
O desespero é real, e eles correm em direção aos seus veículos na estrada principal. Eles temem que aquelas pessoas possam ser hostis e perigosas. Devido à circunstância e o horário, elas não seriam simples turistas ou moradores locais.
Thank God for that. I feel like I've got all kinds of stuff all over me. I've never been so happy to see city lights. I'm sorry this video has been terrible, like the shakings and stuff. I've not even got a tripod on me. I just don't want anything to weigh me down again.
Por fim, eles conseguem chegar ao seu veículo, mas com a certeza de que tiveram um grande livramento. Muitas das vezes o perigo não está no sobrenatural, e sim em encontros com pessoas que possam lhe fazer mal, ou que tenham intenções ruins. Animais e fantasmas são os menores dos problemas quando se explora uma floresta à noite. Seres humanos podem ser mais cruéis e sádicos que qualquer criatura ou entidade.
Can you hear me? We're heading back the other way. We're heading back the other direction.
And then he has an orange backpack and I've got a gray one.
We had just stopped and all of a sudden we had one round go right past us, maybe 10 feet, and then another one right above our head.
O casal do canal Florida Boy Johnny estava caminhando pela floresta quando ouviu tiros vindo em sua direção. Alguém atirou contra eles enquanto exploravam e esperavam conseguir acampar em uma floresta.
Oh, Lord.
See, now it's not even bad. Now it's pretty decent.
Oh, there we go.
There's somebody down here already.
Uh-oh.
That's kind of spooky.
It's spooky. What are we gonna do?
Well, he's parked exactly where we need to be. Of all places.
Dig.
I'm gonna find another spot.
Eles buscam outro local para estacionar seu carro e começar sua aventura, após dar de encontro com algumas pessoas desconhecidas.
Tired. We are doing
Spiderweb! Sorry.
a hiking slash camping trip. Danny's over here dying. We both have like 900 pounds of gear on us.
Oh no!
And it's wet
It's wet.
and slippy. So we are currently trying to find the actual trailhead. Yeah, everything's overgrown. Everything is wet.
Yeah.
The markers let us know that we're on the trail, because otherwise this is the crap that we're walking through. Yeah, we're on the trail. God. But yeah, we're going the right way.
I'm getting stuck.
Look at that. This is ridiculous.
It's up past our heads.
After bushwhacking a little bit, we found the trail, which doesn't look like much of a trail, but that's it. There's a spot that we're heading to. It's
Hopefully it's clear.
essentially it's in the middle of the woods, and it's a good.
Watch those people from back there be camping where we're gonna be going.
But anyway, the spot is about almost 2 miles from where we parked the truck. Great.
What?
This is what we're dealing with.
Enquanto caminhavam, eles ouvem barulhos de tiros altos, disparos em sua direção, como se alguém quisesse acertá-los ou assustá-los. Veja.
Can you hear me? We're heading back the other way. Grab your bag. We're trying to find the trail. We're heading back the other direction. Hurry.
Oh, I'm trying.
That was a 22. It went right over our heads. So we just got shot at. He hit the tree right next to us.
No way.
Within 2 feet.
So I could be bad news.
I just stopped recording too, and it whizzed by. Okay.
Do you want to keep going up that trail or you want to go back down that one? We'll see us because he's up over there.
So we just got shot at. We were, and I just stopped recording, but there is somebody deep in the woods that direction. Shot what sounded like a 22, hit a tree about 2 feet away from us. And we were finding a spot to set up, and we had just set our bags down. I set the camera down after I stopped recording, and a bullet, 22, whizzed right above our heads into the tree that we were standing next to. And so I yelled out to him, whoever it was, got no response. Yelled out several more times, got one response, no idea what he said. I wonder if it's that fucking truck.
Might be. Why in the fuck is he all the way out here fucking shooting at people?
I think people live in these woods.
What?
So I think people live in these woods.
What? I think that was a race. Oh my god. My name's Danielle Hogan, but the person you'll be calling is Johnny Hayes. My boyfriend's wearing a black shirt and tan jeans, and I'm wearing a tan shirt and blue jeans right now. And then he has an orange backpack, and I've got a gray one. Bye. She's having people come out here.
O casal liga para a polícia, pois não estão se sentindo seguros no local. Primeiro são surpreendidos com um tiro, e depois ouvem barulhos de passos floresta adentro como se alguém os estivesse caçando.
Okay, so yeah, just let them know that we're gonna go ahead and keep heading north just a little bit on the trail. Then we're gonna intersect what looks like somebody's driveway because it's the clearest way to get to the clearing, it looks like. But as soon as we get to that point, we will be on somebody's property. So, but that's, I mean, I don't really want to go through the Okay, sounds good. We'll head that way. Alright, bye. I'm gonna try to find that trail. We're gonna get onto Harper.
So she said it didn't have any coordinates?
No. Okay, so we just got off the phone with a local police number. We're too far out for anybody to meet us, so we're having to track back through the woods and make our way over to an access road. But we have to go through all this crap to get to it. I'm recording just in case anything happens again, because when it happened the first time, I just stopped recording when the shots came out. We were just off of the trail, and whoever this was, they had to have known where we were the whole time. One of those shots landed right above our heads in the tree that we were standing by. And essentially, we're right here. The round hit about right here, but on my right side. The first one, I'm not too sure where it hit, but I heard it whiz by, and then it was the second one that landed right next to us. And there's no way anybody can say, oh, I thought it was an animal. No animal wears a bright orange backpack. Not that I know of.
Johnny relata que os tiros foram intencionais, tanto que ele e sua namorada usam mochilas com cores chamativas para evitar esse tipo de acidente. A polícia relata que eles estão longe e precisam subir a floresta para poderem ajudá-los. O casal então grava todo o percurso. Um ar de tensão, medo e de preocupação são presentes a todo momento. Porém, logo eles encontram os policiais.
Do I?
As far as like hunting season goes, there's a whole bunch of stuff that just opened up yesterday.
Yeah.
And this whole area, the whole trail area.
Yeah.
It's you can hunt on it.
Okay.
And stuff. I grew up in Pennsylvania. Our hunting season starts a lot earlier out there, and general rule of thumb is we don't really go into the woods after the 15th of September, because that's when everything opens up, and you got to deal with the cityites, and you got to deal with the people from Jersey.
We had just stopped, and all of a sudden we had one round go right past us, maybe 10 feet, and then another one right above our head, and literally like 2 feet above our head into the tree, and it just sounded like a 22.
I'll go down. I'm gonna see if I can make contact with someone. I saw a blue truck down in one of the areas
I seen the
down
blue
there.
truck. Is the white pickup truck your guys?
Right here.
Okay.
And from here to here is where we kind of lost the trail, but we were still kind of on it because we were using GPS and whatnot.
Os policiais relatam que a temporada de caça havia começado e que não era recomendado que ninguém acampasse ou fosse às florestas, exceto se fossem caçar. Porém, quem em sã consciência atiraria em 2 pessoas desarmadas, se não fosse por pura maldade? Não temos atualização do caso, mas felizmente nada de pior aconteceu ao casal, que poderiam ter um fim trágico ali. Se gostou deste vídeo, curta e se inscreva no canal, para nos ajudar a bater a meta de 10.000 inscritos até o Natal. Muito obrigado a todos vocês. Canal do YouTube The Hogat Project explora locais assombrados e inóspitos. Atrás de histórias assombradas e evidências do sobrenatural, os dois youtubers vão até uma mina abandonada na floresta, onde há relatos de que após um soterramento, muitos trabalhadores morreram ali, e é perceptível quem adentre o local, ouvir vozes e o bater das picaretas nas pedras. O caminho é longo, mas ao chegar lá eles conseguiriam provar todas as histórias.
Oh, and there it is, ladies and gentlemen.
Após uma longa caminhada, eles chegam às minas, e o que eles captam é assustador.
It's like cabbage. Is there anybody by the water? What is their name if they're by the river? Who is down by the river? Is there a Bigfoot here? If there is a Sasquatch, let it be known. Is there anybody here with us? Who was out here with us tonight? Where are you from? Who goes there? Where are you from? What year is it? What is your job? Which part?
Rock thump.
A rock thump?
Yeah.
What is your job? Did you throw rocks? How many people are out here?
Após realizar algumas perguntas, podemos ouvir de fundo eles respondendo para acordar, e depois falando os nomes Bruce e Paul. Algumas pedras são arremessadas contra eles, que seguem fazendo questionamentos sem nenhuma resposta mais. Ambos exploradores não acampam no local, achando melhor retornar. Um aficionado pelo paranormal vai até um parque onde há relatos de aparições e uma forte energia. O local é utilizado para rituais e invocações de ocultistas. Local com energia pesada e cheia de histórias. Os deixam curiosos para conhecer o local. Kevin vai ao local acompanhado para ver se capta algo.
Well, you went back in the trails. But as you can see, there have been people here recently. Those solo cups, they don't look old.
Yeah, those are cool, which is really weird to me.
Yeah, there's a cooler right here in the woods.
It still has a tag on it.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, on the bottom.
Hmm.
Isn't that weird?
If it ain't bad, we'll take it home. Wonder what's in the cooler, that's the question. Gotta get through all these briars first. Yeah, it does look like a new cooler. Dang. Yeah, it's like brand new.
Kevin encontra um cooler e quando ele volta para sua parceira, veja que atrás dela um espectro passa desaparecendo.
Ever who was here before had to get out here in a hurry. Ever who was here before had to get out here in a hurry. Get out here in a hurry.
É chocante e assustador, pois eles não percebem nada e continuam gravando sem perceber. Porém, Kevin, ao rever as imagens, percebe que aquilo era uma atividade paranormal. Não só o sobrenatural, mas podemos ver nesses vídeos que o ser humano é mais perigoso que animais selvagens e assombrações. O véu do mundo físico e o espiritual muitas das vezes cai. E então os encontros vistos são registrados. Aparições e pessoas tornam qualquer exploração em florestas ou acampamentos mais aterrorizantes. Se gostou do vídeo, curta e nos siga para bater nossa meta de 10.000 inscritos até o Natal. Conto com vocês e sempre grato a cada um que tira um tempinho para acompanhar os vídeos do canal. Vocês são demais. E não se esqueça, nunca feche os olhos.